Q8963. The lowest ILS Category 2 minimums are A. DH 50 feet and river 1,200 feet. B. DH 100 feet and river 1,000 feet. C. DH 150 feet and river 1,500 feet. The correct answer is B. With all necessary ground and airborne system components operational, the lowest authorized ILS minimums are Category L decision height, DH, 200 feet, and runway visual range, RVR, 2,400 feet, with touchdown zone and runway centerline lighting, RVR 1,800 Category A, B, C, RVR 2,000 Category D. Category 2 DH 100 feet and river 1,000 feet, and Category 3 RVR 700 feet. 9411. Which ground components are required to be operative for a Category 2 approach in addition to LOC, glide slope, marker beacons, and approach lights? A. Radar, VOR, ADF, taxiway leadoff lights, and RVR. B. RCLS and REIL. C. All of the required ground components. The correct answer is C. No individual may fly a civil aircraft in a Category 2 or Category 3 operation without all necessary ground equipment is installed and functional, as well as any associated aerial equipment. 9412. When may a pilot descend below 100 feet above the touchdown zone elevation during a Category 2 ILS instrument approach, when only the approach lights are visible? A. After passing the visual descent point, VDP. B. When the RVR is 1,600 feet or more. C. When the red terminal bar of the approach light systems is in sight. The correct answer is C. On a Category 2 approach, a pilot may use the approach light system as their only visual aid and drop below the DH. However, if the pilot is utilizing the approach lights as a guide, he or she may not descend below 100 feet above touchdown zone elevation, TDZ, until the red side row bars or the red termination bars are also clearly seen and recognizable. 9413. In addition to the localizer, glide slope, marker beacons, approach lighting, and HIRL, which ground components are required to be operative for a Category 2 instrument approach to a DH below 150 feet AGL? A. RCLS and REIL. B. Radar, VOR, ADF, runway exit lights, and RVR. C. Each required ground component. The correct answer is C. A Category 2 ILS must contain high-intensity runway lights, HIRL, runway centerline lights, RCLS, touchdown zone lights, TDZL, and runway visual range, RVR, in addition to a localizer, glide slope, marker beacons, and approach light system. 8967. How does the LDA differ from an ILS, LOC? A. LDA, 6 or 12 wide, ILS, 3 to 6. B. LDA, offset from runway +3, ILS, aligned with runway. C. LDA, 15 usable off-course indications, ILS, 35. The correct answer is B. The runway is not parallel to the LDA.